Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey Hub, where the Strikers' bats wielded a symphony of dominance in the under-11 category. A crescendo of runs set the stage for an epic duel against the Dragons.
Indeed, Ravish, it was a stage set for young gladiators, with willows and leathers scripting a tale. The Strikers brandishing strokes of brilliance, the Dragons breathing fire with every delivery.
A clash of titans unfolded as the Strikers' onslaught wove a tapestry of runs, crafting an imposing total. The Dragons, in response, faltered, succumbing to a storm that swept them away.
It was a narrative of two halves. The Strikers' robust innings set a towering challenge, painting a picture of dominance. The Dragons' chase, a juxtaposition, was a tale of struggle against a tidal wave of precision bowling.
Love Kapadia, with the poise of a maestro, orchestrated the highest score, undefeated, as partnerships flourished and wickets fell at the other end, building a fortress of runs for the Strikers.
Strategic brilliance from the Dragons' bowlers, particularly Telkikar and Gadewardekar, applying brakes on the flow of runs. Yet, Kapadia and Sharma partnership was the cornerstone that fortified the Strikers' innings.
The second act was a symphonic collapse from the Dragons, each wicket a note in the Strikers' victory march. Portness spun a web too intricate for the Dragons, who folded like a deck of cards.
The Dragons' innings never took flight, grounded by Portness' lethal spell. A relentless attack from the Strikers left no stone unturned, marking every over with the stamp of inevitable victory.
Kapadia's blade was the sculptor of the Strikers' total, with Portness carving through the Dragons' defences. Telkikar's spells for the Dragons breathed hope, albeit briefly.
Kapadia's steadfast knock etched into the annals of this game, with Portness' triple strike turning the tide irreversibly. Telkikar's effort shone briefly in the shadow of the Strikers' dominance.
The Strikers emerged as the conquering heroes, triumphing by a monumental 146 runs. Tactical acumen in their batting and clinical bowling orchestrated this grand victory.
A staggering win for the Strikers, a day where every strategy clicked, every move they made was a checkmate. The Dragons will reflect on this and regroup with new learnings. A match etched in the heart of New Jersey Hub, with the Strikers setting a benchmark for the tournament. Kapadia's resilience and Portness' incision will be talked about for times to come.
As the dust settles on this battlefield, the Strikers' symphony echoes a victory that will reverberate through future encounters. This game, a melody that will inspire young aspirants to the rhythm of cricket.